There's no Wi-Fi and no hot water at the other place, so we are going to the next villa. Too bad the Wi-Fi doesn't work. This place is pretty cool. This flat holds 10 to 12 people. This one is the one that we would stay in. This is our view. This is not working Wi-Fi. They have one more place in the city center, so we're gonna go test the Wi-Fi there. Just to double check before we go stay there, and then they don't have Wi-Fi, and that was one of the reasons we switched. Even though this view is amazing, except I have 6 videos I have to upload, so the view can wait. Oh, it's... Wait, hold this one. Okay, guys. Come on, get to 1. Just make it to 1. That's all I ask. Almost 1 whole megabyte. You can do it. Come on.
What does that mean?
That sucks, dude. That video might take 5 years to upload, so I think we're gonna go check out the city center.
I want to see a whale.
Move. They follow us everywhere.
So we will meet to give you the key, and after that you are okay to go upstairs, okay?
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, see you soon. Bye-bye.
On to the next or previous house. We're getting kicked out again. Because supposedly it has hot water and Wi-Fi now. Which
You sound so enthusiastic.
I doubt. We were leaving in a week and we just had to pack up absolutely everything, all of our groceries. And it's annoying because we could have just waited here another week and then just left. No, now we have to transfer back to the old freaking house.
Guess where we're going? Our favorite place. You guessed it. Right back here where we started. Oh God. That would have been bad. I left the keys inside and the door open and it was windy, and if the wind sucked the door shut, we would have got locked out. Look at all this stuff. I swear we just accumulate more stuff over time.
Groceries.
Yeah. I think the 5th one. Also, well, I'm currently going around lap 2 right now. It's pouring rain. I dropped Jen off. We got some groceries, so I'm trying to find a parking spot now. Probably gonna have to walk in the rain. But yeah, I'm not looking forward to like being completely soaking wet. Well, this is gonna suck. I'm pretty far from the house. Time to get wet. God damn. Alright, well, let's go. I am getting some. It's a perfect day to wear white. Oh! Look like a cheetah. Soaking wet. Oh yeah. Another day in Crete so far. Ooh. Soaking wet. We just got like a lot of food and we only spent like $100 something. So the food for the rest of 2 weeks, hopefully. God damn it, why is it when I talk there's a plane? Honestly, it's not too cold. I don't know how I'm gonna tell Jen that I'm here though. Good, smart. I know. Took me 5 minutes. Yeah, it took me 5 minutes and 14 seconds.
You guys, get out of the room! Bye. Bye, little Chico. Bye, little ones.
I'm gonna chase the car.
Maybe. Nah, I still was laying in the middle of the road.
Oh shit, you better run! Oh, they got the pizza.
Hello.
Hey! Hey!
Come here! Come here! Oh, motherfucker.
That bitch ate the whole slice.
Look at him. Come here! Dumb bitches. Hi!
I'm just standing there.
Look at him.
Oh yeah. Oh god, he's coming to your side.
Hey! Hello, little one! Hi! Hi! Oh, don't get the door. Hi! Hello!
Oh, the little hole. Where?
Hi!
How the fuck? Hey! Hello! Hey! Might be for taxis, but oh well. Alright. Damn. This storm. I started recording right as that happened. Dude, the storm is literally insane. I hope the power doesn't go out because, like, a lot of my stuff, I'm pretty sure that was a goat screaming. A lot of my stuff's gonna die. I'm gonna turn my camera on so I can get it. My other camera died, so. Coming live from Crete.
They grounded them.
Storm. Should we clap like this? Or just like open it up like this, like just grab the camera and just. It's freezing cold. Oh, the bugs are there.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.